Hello, 3R. Just going through what we're going to be doing this week. This is a little bit of a different week. I'm going to give you what would be called an assessment if we were in regular school. I'm still going to do it, though, over period 7, which covers 1890 to 1945. So progressivism up to the end of World War II. And then you're going to get a document-based essay for me this week as well. So your chapter 26 questions are not due until Tuesday. And the discussion board on the Holocaust is also due Tuesday. I changed that due date. And then the new discussion board for this week, I'm just asking you, what continuities and changes did you see between 1890 and 1945? What continued? What stayed the same? What actually changed? And you can just, post a couple of those things and reply back and forth. The DBQ I'm going to give you, that's going to be due on May 28th. That's a Thursday. It's to evaluate major changes in the attitudes toward and the experiences of women and minorities during the World War II era. So we're looking at 1939 to 1945. How did attitudes and experiences, attitudes towards and experiences of women and minorities change? We're going to talk about those documents in our chat this upcoming Thursday. And then those, what would be an exam or an assessment, short answer questions, there's going to be 8 of them. You're going to choose 6. Right after our chat on Thursday, I'm going to talk about those questions in our Thursday chat, and then I'm going to release those questions via Teams and via Infinite Campus, or maybe I just email them to you. I don't know. And then those questions have to be turned in by Friday at 11:59. Do not be late on those questions. So you don't have to, there's not another chapter assigned this week. You're going to finish those chapter 26 questions on World War II. You're going to get them to me. The new assignments are this assessment that I'm going to give to you Thursday. 6 of 8 short answer questions. Thursday, they need to be turned in by Friday. And then the DBQ that's going to be due the following Thursday, the 28th. So we're still in that World War II era and wrapping up what would have been period 7, 1890 to 1945. That's what we're doing this week. If you need help or have questions or any issues, let me know. Some of you still have missing work. You really need to get that to me. I can't say that enough. And take care of yourself. Stay happy and healthy.